Hey guys, welcome to Sprightly Kid, and today I'm gonna paint on these wood ornaments again. So let's get started. So I already painted a rainbow on these. If you wanna see me paint the rainbow, go watch my first episode of me painting wood ornaments. And before I start the real painting with these, I want to say that I kind of want to try a little bit different with these designs. I kind of want to try acrylic pour on these. Acrylic pour is like a big trend going on. And the thing about acrylic pour is that you're supposed to create nice, beautiful artwork with this kind of technique thing. So starting with this one, I'm going to grab out a cup and I'm going to start facing it sideways. I'm going to pour some white paint. I'll show you when the other colors are done. So now that I have my paints, I don't want to show my colors on camera because I'm worried that it might kind of move the position of the paint in the cup. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to pour the paint on here. This is interesting. And I'm gonna start kind of mixing them. Well, not mixing them, just spreading the paint around. I'll show you when this thing is done. And now time to let this to dry. So while that ornament is drying, I'm gonna move on to this other one. So for this one, I'm gonna use the secondary colors, which are orange, purple, and green. But unlike the last combination of colors which I added white to it, I'm gonna add black to this one this time. So now I'm just gonna pour my paint in the cup. I'll show you when the rest of the colors are done. So I thought about it for a while and I thought I didn't want the black because I was almost out of it. So I decided to use navy blue instead. And again, I will show you when the rest of the colors are done. So now that I have my colors, I'm gonna start pouring. I'll show you when this thing is done. Now time to let this to dry. Now that this one is done, I'm gonna apply a coat of Mod Podge on it to to protect the paint from chipping. So I'm just gonna apply it. And now time to let this to dry. So now that this second one is all dry, I'm also gonna apply this one with some Mod Podge as well. Now that these two acrylic pour ornaments are all done and all dry, I'm gonna add one finishing touch, which is the stringy things. And I'll show you when the strings are on these things. So now that the strings are on these things, they're finally done. This is the finished result of my unique acrylic pour ornament things. I really like them. I really like them a lot, and I'm glad that I tried out this way because I've never done acrylic pour before with this one. I really like it. I like how it creates an abstract art thing and also how the colors kind of blend. Same thing with this one. The only bummer about this one is that I had to use navy blue instead of black because I was almost out of my black paint, but other than that, I still really like this one. It still creates an interesting look. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to be cute and creative. Bye!